Our COVID warriors, for me, they are heroes because they have faced the danger of, contagion, and yet they did not think twice and went ahead and helped everybody in need. I have heard such heroic stories about the COVID warriors, how they forgot about themselves and they went ahead and helped the people in need. Even they went to the extent of cremating, certain dead bodies because there was nobody else to do it. So I think they are really COVID warriors, and I pray to God to protect them. And I also pray to God that very soon the pandemic will come to an end. PHC, and there is scope for increasing, but that depends on the health department. If the need arises, I am sure they will do the needful. Very soon we are going to inaugurate it because it was taken up as COVID hospital. It has been denotified now. So hopefully by the 20th, we have to also contact the Honorable Chief Minister for his availability, and as quickly as possible, we want to inaugurate the infrastructure.
बेगीन चालू जातले ते ऑलरेडी केंद्राकडल्यान आमकां 15 कोटी आयल्या आणि ते टोटल 270 कोटी आणि तो प्रोजेक्ट बेगीन चालू जावंक जाय कारण आमकां जाय तो प्रोजेक्ट.
सर तुमी फाटल्या दिसांनी सांगिल्लें की जायते जे स्टाफ आसा थोडे PHCन जे काम करता आयुष लेवलाचेर जे काम करता तांकां तुमी फिक्स करपाचो कितें प्रयत्न चालू केलो
फिक्स करपाचें गरज आमी ज्या तरेचे पोस्ट आमी आमचे एडवर्टायज जावपाक लागल्या त्या तरेन ऑटोमॅटिकली ते एडजस्ट जावंक जाय.
lot of them are on contract basis.
So contract people who are there will not remain on contract. They will also apply for the regular post.
Okay.
वाडोवपाचो आमी आयजूच सांगूंक ना ते चालूच आसा ते दिशेन. आतां सद्या आमी ते कोविड हॉस्पिटल म्हणून हांवें तशेंच रिटेन केला कारण हांव ते हॉस्पिटल थंय शिफ्ट करूं शकना कारण आमकां एक स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट सावथ गोवा खातीर एक कोविड हॉस्पिटल जाय. थर्ड वेव केन्ना येतले आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू बी अनप्रिपेर्ड. वी नीड टू बी प्रिपेर्ड सो वी आर कंटिन्यूइंग इट एज इट इज. Meanwhile, we are doing all the backup infrastructure what is doing and इतर काही गोष्टी जे prevention करून जाय. Plus we will take the municipality on board because the municipality actually it comes under the purview of the municipality to do all this.
So any additional beds will be put up there for the open space that are available there in the Chikalim hospital. So they are saying there are shortage of beds now.
We can't overflow the beds, no, beyond a point. Capacity of the hospital is X. You cannot go, but during COVID we have gone beyond that also. We'll see how to manage it. I'll take a review.
Yes, sir. Okay.